Hello everyone, let's try a Mandola heart-shaped art. Paint colors, rainbow brushes, and water. One heart-shaped mold, two heart-shaped mold, three heart-shaped mold, four heart-shaped mold, 5 and 6 heart-shaped mold. Hello everyone, if you like my video, please subscribe. Let's fill the water. It's so interesting. Wow. I hope you liked my video. Wow. Let's fill the color. The color name is red. It's so creamy. Let's fill. Wow, it's so creamy. Let's fill the white color. Wow, the color is so cute. Let's fill the blue color. It's amazing now. Hey cutie, let's fill the green color. It's so interesting. I like in green color. Let's fill a yellow color. It's a jelly structure, no? For this amazing color. So cuties, let's fill the purple color. It's a glittery type, no? So everyone, let's fill the glitter. Red color glitter and red mold. Wow, it's so beautiful. And I like it red color. You like it? Let's fill the white color glitter. It's so shiny. Wow, it's so interesting process. Let's fill the blue color. You like it in blue color? Boys' favorite color is blue. Let's fill my second favorite color is green glitter. It's so shiny and so amazing. Wow, it's so beautiful and so elegant. Your favorite color is yellow? Yes, now? Let's fill a yellow glitter. Wow. Amazing. Let's fill a boundary color. Purple. Wow, it's amazing color. Let's fill a mold. white color. 1, 2, 3. Wow, it's so cute. Let's fill a white color. It's a silver type. I like it. Let's fill a boy's favorite color. It's blue. Wow, it's a magical process. Let's fill up. My second favorite color is green. It's too much good. Let's fill your favorite color, cuties, yellow. Wow, it's a golden type now. Silver and golden, so beautiful combination. Let's fill a purple color. It's a pinkish type. I like it. Wow, it's so good everyone now. My name is Elsa. Wow, it's so perfect. Let's transfer it off new mold. Wow, I like it. What? Peppa Pig. I like it, this cartoon. It's so mini and so cute. Okay, white mold. It's so amazing and so shiny. You like it, everyone? I hope you like it. Let's translate our new mold. Wow, it's so good. Christmas toy. What? It's a Hello Kitty. It's so cute. You like it? I like it. Boy's favorite color is blue. Wow, it's so glitter time. Wow, it's good now. Let's translate a new mold, everyone. Okay. Wow. It's so good, so amazing. What? It's Elsa! Mini Elsa! Wow! So cute. It's so cute. That's my second favorite color is green. Wow, it's so amazing and so shiny. You like it? Let's translate a new mold. Wow, it's so good. What? Wow, it's so cute. Oh my god. It's so amazing. What? Jasmine! I like Jasmine. That's your favorite color, cuties. Yellow.